What's up, y'all? This is Duana, aka Glamazon1026, and Happy New Year! Welcome back to the Glam Room. So my first video of the year is going to be a hair video. I'm going to give you this cute half up, half down style using clip-ins and track hair. When I say track hair, I mean out the pack hair from the beauty supply store, okay? And so we did this and I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. This style is perfect for those of you who wear your hair semi-straight. I am extending the length of my Dominican blowout that I got when I went home, and I just thought that I would do something really cute for y'all today. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. But before we go, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the most glamorous, the most fabulous community here on YouTube, the Glam Fam, okay? We got a lot of good content coming up, and we have a lot of good content that is up already. So pull up, subscribe, get a snack, and if you like what you see, stay tuned. After the break, we're gonna get into this do, okay? Okay, y'all, we are here at an awkward angle. Is it awkward though? I don't even know. Well, whatever. Anyway, we are going to be doing some clip-in styles. My hair is straightened. I went to New York over the break and I went to my childhood hairdresser and she gave me the Dominican blowout. And when I tell you, my hair was, I ain't never seen my hair that straight in my life. But it looked like it was given just for me realness. It was given perm, okay? So anyway, it's been about 2 weeks. It's been, well, maybe like 10 days-ish. And my roots are starting to get a little, you know, and I'm just kind of tired of wearing it outside of the wrap. So I'm going to be doing some clip-in styles for you today. I'm going to try to do 2, but if you only see one, just know the other one failed, okay? So we're gonna get started. A couple years ago, I got sent some clip-ins in the mail, and I said that if I wanted to extend like my silk press, I would use them. So that's what I'm doing. I have the, I'm not sure how to pronounce the name of the store, but all the information about the hair will be linked below, including my original video about it. And I have 2 16-inch bundles of clip-ins. I have this yaki, perm yaki hair from, what's it called? Outre. It's pack hair basically. And it is a thicker texture for like if I wanted to do a ponytail. So I have like some hair right here. And I might use this when I'm doing the ponytails, okay? All right, so let's just unwrap this hair. So I'm going to begin by parting out a bang section. Then I'm going to part from the tip of my ear to the tip of this ear. So we're going to do a half up, half down style with bangs. I kind of love that style. I think it's so cute. And it doesn't have to be straight. I'm not really focusing on the straightness of the part. I'm just trying to separate the hair. So this is the preliminary parting. situation. I'm going to put this back in better, but right now I just wanted it to be out of the way. So since this is going to be half up, half down, and I'm pretty sure I'm using the clip-ins only in the back because I do have that extra track, I'm going to start this very, very low in the back of my head. So I have it parted, I have it sectioned here. It's kind of like halfway where my ear is, but I'm just going to section that again so that there is a little part down here. And it doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to be a part. And so each clip-in will have about this much hair in between it. It also helps with blending. Since my hair is pretty blunt because I just got it cut, it will help blend with the clip-in. So I'm going to just put these in starting at the back, and then we'll style them. As I'm getting my curling iron heated up, I am going to secure the front. I have some clip-ins left over, so you can either clip it around the ponytail and use it like that, but I have some tracks, and I'd rather do tracks because then I can get it as tight as I want to get it, and not just clip the hair to my actual, you know, I don't want to use the clip-in. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to get a regular bobby pin, and I'm going to fold the track in half so it's doubled. Now I'm going to take the regular bobby pin and I'm going to put it so that it is securing the two free ends of the track, because it's going to be easier to wrap it if the free ends are secured rather than the part that is looped. You get it? See, this is the loop, this is the free end. So I'm just going to take it and secure it into my hair right here, and then begin to wrap the tracks around the ponytail. You want to make sure you're securing it with hairpins so that once you spread the ponytail, you don't see tracks, because that will happen. And then I'm just taking a piece of hair and wrapping it around the tracks so that we can camouflage it. So for the bang, I have two single clip-ins, and I'm just going to add them for fullness. Well, I mean, not for fullness. I'm gonna add it for length. Who am I kidding? My hair is full. We're gonna add it for length. And so now we have this here, right here, and we're gonna begin to curl. So I have this 1.5 inch curling iron barrel that I got from TJ Maxx. I'm curling this hair like any old way, but there's a method to my madness. I curl the bangs to the front, I curl the ponytail away from my face, and in the back I'm going through a mixture of away and towards my face because I want to create waves that will not clump together. So if you want your hair to like just look like a bunch of different curls and not just one big curl, do every other one the opposite direction. And now I'm going to take the Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray, and this is a light hold hairspray, and I'm going to spray it all on my hair and leave that for 10 minutes. You can leave it longer if you choose. and then I'm going to begin to take out the curls. All right, y'all, here is the finished look. Look at it. It's cute. It's so adorable. I'm about to go out like this for date night. I mean, there's not really a date night because COVID is back to where it was. So we're not going nowhere. Also, it snowed in Nashville, so I ain't going nowhere. Anyway, and Reggie got to work tonight. I'm just going to be cute on the couch. How about that, right? But it's cute, right? Look at this. Track out the pack hair and clip-ins. And I love this because I did not put any hard product in my hair, so I could take these out and rewrap my hair and wear it like a wrap, you know? And so I love that. And so this is just something that'll just like zhuzh it up for a little bit for a couple of hours. The curls will stay because we use the Sebastian, and you know, it'll just be like real cute. I just want to look a little bit, you know, with my little straight hair. If you guys want to see more clip-in styles while the hair is straight, because it's gonna be, I don't know when I'm washing it. If I could drag this out for a month, I'm gonna drag it out for a month, okay? But if you guys want to see more clip-in videos, let me know down below, because I got a couple more styles that I can show you. Be sure to like the video. When you like my videos, YouTube's algorithm lets other people who like what you like see this video. So be sure to like the video. That is a quick and easy way to support the channel. And it's free. Just like it. Just click that little thumbs up button right down there. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026 and TikTok at Glamazon1026 and Pinterest at Glamazon1026. I mean, if you want to, like, no pressure, you know? But make sure you follow me on all those platforms, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.